Yo, what's going on, everybody? My name is James and I'm here with my 4th tutorial. This is my 5th time doing this video, and if I have to do it again, I'm probably going to punch my screen as hard as I can. Alright, first things first, you're going to want no IP. This is basically going to host your servers to allow you to do this illegal shit. Alright, you're going to want to open Internet Explorer. Actually, no you're not. I'm just using it to piss you guys off. Alright, once you open your internet browser, you're going to want to go to noip.com. However, org works as well. It'll redirect you to the same page. Once there, hover over sign in and click sign up for an account. You're going to see 3 offers, one for free, $15, and $25. Obviously, you're going to look for the free one because we're all poor. Alright, click sign up, and it's going to bring you to a page where you have to fill out a bunch of information. It's very, very straightforward, and they're not going to contact you, so you don't need to worry about that. I've already done this, so once you do that, go to sign in. My email is sleepyboss@live.com because I'm a boss, obviously. For the password, I'm not going to tell you, that's not secure. Anyways, what is it? Made donkey tip. Alright. Once there, it's going to bring you to a page like this. I don't know why it says Bobby. What the fuck? Anyway, you're going to want to click add a host. It's going to bring you to the hosting page. I've reached my limit because I've done so many videos, so we're going to remove most of these. Remove. Alright, you're going to want to go to add a host. For the hostname field, you can type whatever you want. I'm going to do dcsetup.zap.org. You can use whatever of these you'd like. I like zap.org. Anyway, scroll down and click create host, and that will finish your hosting part. Except you're going to need to download the client so you can still do this illegal shit. You can click download client in the top left panel, and it will bring you to another page. You're just going to want to click the orange button that says download. Very, very, very simple instructions. While I wait for this to download, I'm going to pause in 3, 2, 1. Alright, I'm back, and you are going to want to go to your start menu, search for DUC. Not sure why it's called that, but nonetheless, it'll not show up at first, and you're going to panic. Just check in your taskbar, your tray, it's right there. For your client ID, you're going to want to click edit. It might say sign in for you, I'm already logged in. Just for your email address, for your email, my password, again, I'm not going to tell you, that's not secure. And I'll bring you to all your hosts and stuff. It shows an X here because you need to select your hosts. For this, I'm going to be using dcsetup.zap.org and refresh. Also, if you're on a VPN, you're going to want to go to File, Preferences, and for your alternate IP detection method, you're going to want to change it to your thing that they give you. Mine's 1099.134.46. Normally, it would be on Windows default, so make sure you change that or you won't get connections. Click refresh and exit out of that, it'll go right to your tray. Alright, next you're going to want to head to the description of this video and get a direct link to the Darkcomet download. I've already copied it because I'm way ahead of everyone, and it will start an automatic download. You're going to want to click open and exit this. I already downloaded this, and it's going to download. Once this is done downloading, you're going to want to go to your desktop, right click, go to new, and click folder, name it whatever you like. I'm going to name it DC. Not Washington DC, but Darkcomet. Alright, go into the RAR, and you're going to want to extract everything from that RAR into the DC folder. Once it's done, before you get into any of this shooba-dooba, you're going to want to go to your start menu and search CMD. This will prompt your command prompt. You're going to want to search for ipconfig. Also, keep track of your IPv4 address and default gateway. These are the only things you need in this whole bajoodle. So, type your default gateway into your browser. Mine's 192.168.1.1, which is already saved. It's going to prompt you with a login. Just log into your router details. I've already done that. So, once there, you're going to want to go through the menus of cool stuff. It might be on the top of the side, I don't really know. This is my router. You're going to want to click port forwarding / triggering, depending on your router, of course. Go to add custom service. I'm going to name mine DarkC. And service type is going to be TCP/UDP. Starting port can be whatever you'd like. I'm going to use Blackshades because 1604 is already in use. For the IP address, you're going to want to put in your IPv4 address -3. You only need the last number. Click apply. There you go, you have successfully port forwarded your server. It wasn't that difficult. Alright, now you can go back into the Dark Comet folder and double click on darkcomet.exe. It's going to prompt you with the TOS type thing. Just click do not display again and wait out the rest of the seconds. Once done, click I accept. Same with on the bottom right, do not show, fine. From here, go to Darkcomet-RAT, server modules, full editor. For the process mutex, you're going to want to random it a few times. I don't care, you could sit here all day doing it. Go to network settings, and this is where you enter your no IP information. Mine is dcsetup.zafdo.org, I think. Let me check really quick for you. DC setup.zafdo.org, okay? Put it in your port, mine's 3080, add, and click it. I'm not sure what it does, but it shows this green arrow. It's very cool. Go to module startup, start in the stub, and drop file in applications. From here, click build the stub, and type whatever you'd like, and save it wherever you'd like. I could care less. I'm going to name mine test to the desktop. It'll say a bunch of stuff up here. You don't need to worry about it. Just exit this out. Click Darkcomet-RAT again, and click listen to new port. From here, you're going to type in the port that you port forwarded, which is 3080 for myself. Click listen, and it will listen to your port. From here, all you have to do is right-click. It doesn't matter, you can double-click, but I'm right-clicking to be different. Click open, and it will give you a new connection. If it doesn't, then I messed up something. This is what happens if you mess up any kind of text. So give me 3 seconds, actually 1 second. Alright, girls and girls, guys, I'm back. I messed up the no IP thing really fast. Just make sure you don't make any errors like me. I'm very, very bad. Anyway, there you go. That's your tutorial. If you want more tutorials on port forwarding other ways via uTorrent, and that's it, ask in the comments for a different tutorial, and I'll gladly do it. I appreciate the likes and comments you guys give me, and I would appreciate more. Alright, see you later. Goodbye.